Maintaining a glowing skin throughout the year, especially in winters, can be challenging. But doing these 10 things can help you achieve your skincare goals immediately and sustainably. So let's look at these 10 secrets. Number 1. Understanding your skin. Understanding your skin is really important if you want to take care of it and adopt to a healthy skincare routine. Knowing your skin type will determine your skincare routine. There are 4 types of skin, known as normal skin, dry skin, oily skin, and combination skin. The most common type of skin is the combination skin, while normal skin type is the least common. Applying wrong skin products can create imbalance in your skin, leading to different skin problems. Here are some quick indicators to know your skin type. If you have dry patches and oily areas as well on your face, you're most probably a combination skin type. If you have closed pores without blemishes, you're the luckiest to have the normal skin type. Oily skin is indicated by large pores and blemishes. Dry skin has dandruff issues and dry patches. In today's video, we'll be talking generally for all skin types, focusing more on combination skin, which is the most common skin type, that also addresses oily and dry skin types. Number 2. Never forget sunscreen. If you are the type that has no skincare routine, or you're too lazy to follow a skincare routine, you should at least apply sunscreen before leaving your house. This is the minimum care you can give your skin. UV rays from the sun can damage your skin in many ways. They not only cause dark spots but also result in photoaging of skin. Discoloration is another very common problem in people who don't apply sunscreens. Sunscreen will reflect the UV radiations off from your skin and also give you an even skin tone. But it's important to use the right number. SPF is used to grade sunscreen according to their effectiveness against UV radiations. SPF is different for different areas, so you should consult your dermatologist to choose the right sunscreen. Number 3. Always cleanse your skin at night. Skin experts never negotiate on skipping night care skin routine. This is because dirt and oil accumulate over your skin during the day and can cause clogging of pores during the night. This is because the blood flow and temperature of our skin is higher than during the daytime. So during nighttime, whatever you have applied to your face, oil, makeup, or dirt from the environment, it will get absorbed by your skin, resulting in blemishes, acne, and dullness of skin. Cleansing, however, will exfoliate your skin and remove dead skin cells off your face. It also helps your facial skin take full advantage of your night care skin products like retinol and vitamin C serums. We'll talk about these later in our video. You can also shave your face once in a week for better exfoliation of your skin cells and making it more radiant. Some people would cleanse their face, but they don't consider moisturizing their skin after cleansing. They use strong cleansing products that remove their skin of natural bacteria and essential oils, which is not good. Most of us use bar soaps to cleanse our face in the morning, which is totally bad for skin, as it causes dryness and can also clog pores due to the fatty acids present in it. These bar soaps are alkaline in nature and disturb the pH of our skin. With time, the bar soap you're using can damage your skin, so you should use the facial cleanser that is specifically made for this purpose. Number 4. Diet and drinks for healthy skin. Food plays a significant role in determining your skin health. Just like other body organs, our skin, the largest organ of our body, also needs certain nutrients to maintain its structure and fineness. For example, collagen, which makes most of your skin, is produced in our body by combining essential amino acids like proline, hydroxyproline, glycine, and arginine. These amino acids are obtained from protein-rich foods like eggs, chicken, and beef. Collagen production also depends on vitamin C availability in your body, as it acts as the cofactor of the enzymes needed for the collagen production. You can also include collagen supplement in your diet, as well as eat naturally in foods like bone broth, which contains significant amount of collagen. Now, you might have heard that collagen present in food is digested in the stomach and has no effect on your skin health. But studies show that consuming collagen significantly improves your collagen production. Number 5. Using natural remedies. Food not only nourishes your skin, but there are many foods that you can actually apply on your facial skin to achieve your skin goals. These foods are good for a number of reasons. Take tomatoes for example. They're great because of their retinol content, which reduces dark spots and fine lines on your face. Yogurt rich in lactic acid works efficiently against wrinkles and fine lines. It also contains riboflavin that protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. Aloe vera, rich in vitamin C and vitamin A, is highly anti-inflammatory and works best against dandruff and acne at the same time. So aloe vera gel is good for all skin types and is especially used to heal sunburned skin. It reverses the damage caused by UV radiations and naturally hydrates skin. Number 6. Why skin gets dry in winters. Before we talk about hydration in detail, let's look at the top causes of dry skin in winters. Dry skin is basically caused by loss of water and essential oils from the skin surface due to weather conditions like during winters when skin loses its ability to hold water by 25%. Taking long baths, using hot water, being exposed to indoor heat, not drinking enough water, and harsh bar soaps can dehydrate your skin, making it dry and dull. In summers, however, when humidity levels rise in the air, your skin is able to hold more water, so it looks hydrated and fresher than it does in winters. Number 7. Hydrate your skin. Now, keeping your skin hydrated is important for maintaining freshness of the skin. There are 2 ways you can do it. First way is to eat foods that are rich in monounsaturated fatty acids like omega-3 fatty acids and omega-6 fatty acids that naturally keep your skin hydrated. Foods like salmon and nuts are rich in natural fats. You might have been using fat-free foods to keep your skin healthy, but science says that unsaturated and saturated healthy fats can actually improve your skin texture. Instead, cutting your sugar intake is recommended by dermatologists to prevent the loss of collagen. This is because sugar molecules bind the collagens by cross-linkages, making it stiff and ultimately reducing the elasticity of skin. This is why sugars can be another cause of dry and dull skin. Eating more fruits and vegetables, balancing your protein portion, and leaving processed foods can do a lot for your skin. Don't forget to drink enough water to keep your skin hydrated. Adapting to these habits will solve most of your dry skin problems by 80%. Besides, you can use hydrating facial cleansers and massage to keep your skin hydrated. Number 8. Exercises for healthy skin. If you've ever exercised, you might have noticed that after some time, your face gets hot and red. This makes sense because blood supply to your facial skin is increased during exercise. This increased blood flow gives nourishment to your skin and takes away free radicals from working skin cells. Full body workout also strengthens your facial muscles and reduces fine lines. More specifically, you can also exercise facial yoga to tone your muscles and uplift your face. massaging your face with hydrating oils like tea tree oil and almond oil can help you with the dry skin. Number 9. Sleep routine. Taking enough sleep is crucial for your skin as it repairs the damage caused by UV radiations and loss of collagen. Holding enough collagen under your skin is the key to look younger. As we get old, collagen starts decreasing and skin gets thinner. However, sleep-induced collagen production helps you look younger and fresher. Nighttime sleep is important as it is the time when skin cells are most active and porous. This porosity of skin cells makes it a great opportunity to apply skincare products like retinoids and vitamin C. Number 10 is using vitamins. Now the most popular vitamins in the skincare are vitamin A and vitamin C. Vitamin C has many names like L-ascorbic acid, sodium ascorbyl phosphate, ascorbyl palmitate, or retinyl ascorbate. It helps in collagen production to make skin firm and elastin production that increases the elasticity of your skin. Vitamin C has also been effective against discoloration of skin as it inhibits tyrosine, an enzyme which reduces melanin production. Melanin production is responsible for dark spots of your skin. So, applying vitamin C serum at night will definitely help you get an even skin tone and prevent hyperpigmentation. Now coming to the use of vitamin A for skin. Vitamin A is known as retinol or retinoid in skincare and is an essential part of skincare routine as it reverses the effects of aging by repairing the damage caused by UV radiations, free radicals and pollutants. Most popular use of retinoids is against acne due to their anti-inflammatory properties. Vitamin A increases cell turnover and boosts new cells production. That's all for today. So, both food and right skincare products are important for keeping your skin fresh and radiant. Let us know in the comment section which part of the video helped you the most. Subscribe to BCG Health for more authentic information on overall health and common health problems.